In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to Bank Central Asia. Let's get started right from your Wise Home dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, click Send. This is your starting point for any transfer, whether you're on the web or using the mobile app. Next, choose the currency you're sending from, but pay close attention to the recipient side. You can fund the transfer in any currency you like, but make sure the recipient currency is set to Indonesian Rupiah, or IDR. Setting the recipient currency to IDR ensures the money lands in the Bank Central Asia account as local currency, which helps avoid extra conversions and keeps fees transparent. Now, enter the amount you want to send. As you type, Wise will usually display the live exchange rate, the transfer fee, and an estimate of how much the recipient will receive in IDR. Take a moment to review these numbers. If needed, you can adjust the amount so the recipient gets the exact total you have in mind. This preview helps you understand costs up front and avoid surprises. When you're happy with the amount, select Add Recipient. You'll be given a few options for who you're sending to. Choose Enter Account Details. This tells Wise you're adding a new Bank Central Asia recipient rather than sending to someone you've saved before. Now it's time to enter the bank details of the recipient's BCA account. Type the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account, select or confirm Bank Central Asia as the bank, and carefully input the account number. Double-check every digit and make sure the name matches the bank's records to prevent delays or rejections. If there's an optional reference or note field, keep it clear and simple so the recipient recognizes the transfer, but remember not to include any sensitive personal information. Once everything looks correct, confirm the details. You'll see a summary that reflects the amount you're sending, the recipient currency as Indonesian Rupiah, and the recipient's bank information. Give it one last review for accuracy, confirm, and that's it. The transfer is on its way. To recap, click Send on your home dashboard, choose your sending currency, but set the recipient currency to Indonesian Rupiah, enter the amount, select. Add recipient, pick Enter Account Details, provide the BCA account information, and confirm. That's all you need to send money from Wise to Bank Central Asia quickly and with confidence.